You've said technology can never be truly neutral. What do you mean by that, and how should leaders think about it when designing systems or AI products?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's an ethical, moral dimension quite often. So, the classic analogy is, guns don't kill people, people with guns kill people. And I think that's a kind of specious argument. If you're going to put something into the marketplace that has a capability, you might not have intended it to be used for a certain real, but you can't. I don't think you can divorce yourself entirely from an obligation. They say, well, if people are using it in a way that you didn't expect, didn't want it to. You could also take it back to Oppenheimer and splitting the atom, and he didn't want it to be used as a bomb, etc., like that. So I think it's people running away from their obligations when they say it's not our fault that Twitter's become or X has become a kind of a cesspool of social media. That's partly on the people who have made it so.